Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. Today we will discuss two topics, that is wizard dance of Bhimbetka cave and Yaksha-Yakshi sculpture created by Ramkinkar Bej in front of RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, New Delhi. So let's start. In Unit 3 of the theory syllabus of painting subject of 9 standard CBSE, there are 6 topics: wizard dance, Yaksha-Yakshi, Sun Temple, Alpana, Rangoli and Mandana painting. In this video, we will discuss wizard dance and Yaksha-Yakshi. The cave painting wizard dance is found on the cave walls of Bhimbetka of MP. Period 2500 BC to 1500 BC. Location Bhimbetka near Bhopal, MP, India. Medium mineral color stone. Subject matter: a ceremonial dance of the wizard. Description: in this painting, a figure is standing in a joyful mood with arms. There are two more figures in the middle, one seated and one standing. They are wearing masks on their faces and horns on the head. The figures are simple, elongated and stick-like. They are indulging in dance rituals of prayer or magical healing for pleasing a powerful jungle god. This is the picture of wizard dance, Bhimbetka, Bhopal, MP. Next topic is Yaksha-Yakshi sculpture. It is installed at the entrance of the RBI office, New Delhi. It's a pair of iconic statues carved out of Shivalik sandstone. It took 12 years for Ramkinkar Bej to carve those gigantic statues. Period 1955 to 1967. Location Reserve Bank of India, New Delhi. Medium Shivalik sandstone. Subject matter: Yaksha and Yakshi. Artist Ramkinkar Bej. Description: according to Hindu mythology, Yakshas belong to a class of demigods and they are represented as the servants of Kubera, the god of wealth. The duty of Yakshas is to guard Kuber's gardens and treasures. The Yakshi is a female Yaksha. Actually, they are brother and sister. The bank, by virtue of its having the sole right of note issue and being a banker to the central and state government, could therefore be compared with Kubera, the lord of wealth, and the statues of the Yaksha and Yakshi could assume the duty of guarding the bank's treasure. In the modern context, the figures could also be given the allegorical interpretations of symbolizing industry and agriculture, subject matters with which the bank, as a central bank of the country, was directly or indirectly concerned. The art form of male Yaksha was drawn from the statue of the Parkham Yaksha in the Mathura Museum, and the art form of the female Yakshi was derived from Visnagar Yakshini from the Calcutta Museum. The Yaksha is stout, strong, and has native facial features, whereas the Yakshi is gracefully feminine like her earlier counterparts in art history. Yaksha is holding a cogwheel and a bag of money in his left hand, which symbolizes the development in mechanized times. Yakshi is holding a flower in her left and a paddy bunch in her right hand to show the value of traditions and agriculture for the progressive nation. They have broadly defined features and are both wearing the basic ornaments on their naked torsos. These are the pictures of the statues Yaksha and Yakshi. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put a note at the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.